Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our DM8 Smartwatch, an outdoor style, rugged looking smartwatch. And on this video, we are going to compare it with a popular outdoor rugged smartwatch, the H11 Smartwatch. So if you are interested to see the difference between the DM8 Smartwatch versus H11 Smartwatch, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and compare the two wearables. Again, we have here the DM8 and the other one is the H11. Both do have an affordable price. So here's the packaging. Obviously, as you can see here, the DM8 do have a much better packaging, and more information is shown on the box. So we have here the features of the wearable. We do have features also here on the side. We don't have the specifications, but I like the packaging here, durable and much better looking compared to our H11 Smartwatch. It is more compact. For the H11, simple. We do have the QR code here and some details about the features here. Health, these are health features. As you can see here, we have a wireless charging technology. Okay, so which do you think is much better in terms of the packaging? For me, it's the DM8. Okay, so let's put this on the side. So here's the wearable. As you can see, it looks similar when it comes to the design, but looking closely, especially on the side, we have a rotary crown button here. But for the H11, instead of a button, we have a flashlight, a built-in flashlight. For our DM8, we have a push button, home button, or return button. That also serves as a power on and off based on our experience. Okay. At the back, we do have a plastic cover. And regarding the body frame, the DM8 to have a metal body frame, including the bezel. For our H11, we have a plastic body frame. Both the bezel and the back cover. Seems like the back cover here, as you can see, and the middle frame has a the same case. Okay, we have a quick release pin here, stainless steel buckle. We also have it here in our DM8, plastic back cover also, sporty strap. They almost have, seems like they almost have the same size. Let me clean it. Okay, which do you think is better in terms of design? I like the look of the DM8 here, very solid and looks more premium compared to our H11. But with the built-in flashlight here, it's very useful, and I like a smartwatch with a flashlight. I've used it several times already and I find it very useful. Again, here's a closer look at the design. On the side, on the back, and on the other side. Okay, for the dimension, before we proceed to weight, the width here for our DM8, 42.8. For our H11, 41.7. Just a minor difference when it comes to the width. For our length for again. Let's go first with our DM8. 49.4, 48.5. For our thickness here, 11.4, 11.6. Just a minor difference when it comes to the dimension. For the weight, let's see. I think there will be a very big difference when it comes to body weight. 80, very heavy. 80. And the other one, 47.97, almost half. Okay, when it comes to the body weight. So next, let's have the specifications. I'm going to put it here on the side. Okay, the specs. So for the DM8, we do have a 2.99 inch screen display, 2.01 inch for the H11. So smaller screen display, 285 by 320 pixel resolution, 240 by 296 pixel resolution, Bluetooth 5.3, Bluetooth 5.2, 220 mAh battery, 420 mAh battery. It is using the HR Wi-Fi app, and this one it is using the Lexus Fit application. Okay, for the complete specs, I'm going to put it here on both sides. Okay, so that's it for the specifications. Next, let's have the UI. For the UI, on top we have notifications. Let's see with, yes, it is the same with the DM8. On the bottom part, we have the settings and options. So this is the dashboard for common applications here for our H11. So different setup on the bottom part. On the left side, and this one, okay, they almost have the same style here. On the right side, we have the widgets. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, seems like they have the same operating system. I think if you're going to check the UI, I think they have the same OS. Let's see later on our video for the menus and features. So that's it for the comparison review of our DM8 smartwatch compared with our H11 smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding the video review for the comparison of design, specs, and UI, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.